This is a more modern version of my brown stew chicken. Most restaurants use it, most catering hall use it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Blessings everyone, blessings from Eat Good TV. Today we have a special recipe for you, brown stew chicken. I have an old recipe on the channel before, but that was an old recipe. This is the more modern version of brown stew chicken. Here are the ingredients you need. You need onion, sorted bell peppers, carrot, scallion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, thyme, allspice pimento, complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, salt, black pepper, and browning. Browning is brown sugar. Like you burn the sugar, it's burnt sugar, but it's browning. This is browning. And this is the star of the show, the chicken. So I'm going to add the browning to the chicken. 2 tablespoons of browning to the chicken. It gives it color. Instead of you browning it with the oil, this is what gives it color, browning, the browning. And 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons of complete seasoning, 1 tablespoon of allspice, and this is pimento, and 1 tablespoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and a half of the Scotch bonnet pepper, and 4 cloves of garlic, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and 3 scallion, and a tablespoon of ginger, and 6 sprigs of thyme. And we're gonna just rub everything together. Just get into it and rub everything together. If you have green thyme, you can use green thyme, but I have the dry thyme, so I'm using the dry thyme. And I'm gonna rub this together. Then I'm gonna marinate it for 2 hours. Overnight is best. You can do it overnight. Overnight is better, but I'm just gonna do this for 2 hours. Add the onion. It is now marinated for 2 hours, so just cover the pot and let it cook for 45 minutes. You can check on it 45 minutes. It is 45 minutes now, so I'm gonna open the pot. Wow, it's smelling up the place. It's smelling up the place. And I have it on medium. And I haven't added any water to it. It's bring its own water. So now I'm gonna add all the fresh vegetable to it. The carrots. Now I'm just gonna add everything to the pot. All this freshness to the pot. This is the brown stew chicken they use for restaurant and catering events. So it's gonna just take its time and finish slow cooking. I'll show you when it's finished. Let me check the pot. Let me have a taste. I just wanna taste it. It is delicious. It don't need any salt or anything. It's so good. I'm gonna cook it for the next 15 minutes. There you have it, family, your brown stew chicken. Very delicious brown stew chicken. Bye from Eat Good TV. Wish you all the best. Love you. Bye.